This video will show you what locks fit in a classic KNAACK box and how to install them. Required tools include a 7/16-inch socket. This locking system is meant for Master Lock number 5 or American Lock number 50. Equivalent size locks that can work must meet critical dimensions located on lock installation label inside the box. Step 1 is to slide the U-bolt over the lock shackle. Step 2 is to slide the lock through the tray and guide the U-bolt through the 2 holes positioned in the back of the tray. Step 3 is to secure the U-bolt with 2 lock nuts. Repeat the process for the other lock. Step 4 is to make sure the locks are properly installed. Close the lid and push locks until they click. To open, simply turn key for both locks and open lid. If you need more assistance, call our customer service or visit our website.